Karon mga kapuso, mahinabi na ni Cecil si kapuso actress Teresa Loizaga.
Usa sa mga banggiitang aktres nga ilado sa iyang iconic kontrabida roles. Kumustahon ta si Miss Teresa Loizaga. Mayong buntag, Miss Teresa, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Kamusta kayong lahat dyan?
Kumusta po kayo? What's keeping you busy at home?
Nandito lang ako sa bahay, nagga-gardening kasama yung mga anak ko. So, marami pa rin pasasalamat.
Miss Teresa, nakakabilib po kayo on how you maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially your yoga practice po. How beneficial was yoga for you, lalo na this past few months?
Para sa akin, Cecil, alam mo, napakahalaga para to keep me sane. Why do I say to keep me sane? Ang yoga kasi hindi katulad ng mga ibang exercises na very physical. Ang yoga parang kalma ka lang eh. Pero at the same time, nakakapag-meditate ka, maganda yung paghinga mo, hindi ba? Tapos feeling mo, you're one with the universe, nare-relax ka. Yet at the same time, it's beneficial for your body, it's beneficial, lalo na, sorry, alam mo naman, hindi na tayo bata, yung mga low-impact exercises and stretchings na yan, tumutulong para sa daloy ng dugo mo, ma-relax-relax ka, mabawas-bawasan yung pagka-high blood, ganon.
You were able to raise two boys, sila Joseph and Diego, on your own. How proud are you po of your two sons? What do you admire the most about them?
How proud am I of my boys? I will not trade them for anything in this world. At kung kailangan kong ulitin lahat ng ginawa ko noon, uulitin ko ulit para sa mga anak ko. Mahal na mahal ko mga anak ko.
Miss Teresa, what was the biggest struggle with being a single mom, and what gave you the strength din po to overcome all of these?
Wow! Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nag-migrate po kasi kami 20 years ago. Nag-ibang bansa kami at nag-umpisa ako sa wala ulit, naghanap ng trabaho, wala naman akong sasakyan, wala akong car and driver or anything. So naranasan ko talaga na, alam mo yung sinasabi nilang, go on the streets, maghanap ka ng trabaho mo. Ginawa ko talaga yun. And like I said, uulitin ko kung kinakailangan.
Pero behind the kontrabida roles that you are known for, sino po si Teresa Loizaga off-cam?
I am a very, very down-to-earth person. And literally down-to-earth. I love working with my hands on the soil. Mahilig ako magtanim, hindi lang mga ornamental plants, mga gulay, mahilig ako sa hayop. And I realized talaga itong pandemic na to na I am not a city girl, I'm more of a country girl.
And ngayong back to work ka na po for the I Can See You series, High Rise Lovers episode. Please tell us more about the character that you'll be portraying.
Dito makikita niyo yung character na pinoportray ko. Very tough. Very professional. But then, meron din palang vulnerable side to that character. And it just shows that everyone is human. Everyone hurts. Everyone cries. Everyone loves. Everyone laughs. But we wear different masks. And I think makaka-relate talaga ang marami dito sa series namin.
We can't wait for this episode po. So please invite everyone to watch High Rise Lovers episode sa I Can See You series.
High Rise Lovers, I Can See You. It's full of love and mystery that will unfold before your eyes. Kasama po natin dito si Lobby po, si Tom Rodriguez, si Winwin Marquez, si Tetay, and please, our director, and I love him very much, Monty Parungaw. Thank you very much po. Such a beautiful project. Samahan niyo po kami. Asahan po namin kayo doon. Thank you very much. Cecil, salamat ha.
Thank you, Miss Teresa, for joining us this morning. And that was Miss Teresa Loizaga, mga kapuso. Hinaot nga na-inspire ka mo sa iyang healthy lifestyle nga iyang gipaambit ka natong tanan. More to come pa, so tutok lang din hi sa GMA Regional TV Live.